Hey Cricketers, welcome back to my channel. My name is Carrie. Today I'm going to show you how to make waterproof stickers using laminate film the right way. If you've never used laminate film before, it can be incredibly difficult and frustrating to apply right. I've discovered the most perfect Dollar Tree tool to ensure a perfect application every time. A laminate film is basically a super thin sheet of transparent paper that goes over your stickers. It's waterproof and self-adhesive, allowing you to create gorgeous waterproof stickers without the need for a laminator. To be clear, you don't print on these laminate films. The film goes on top of your stickers as a second layer of protection. These laminate sheets come in all different varieties. You can buy crystal clear sheets if you're just looking to waterproof your stickers without adding any extra bling, or you can use holographic sheets that come in all different colors and patterns to really take your stickers to next level amazing. Today, I'm using a pack of holographic vinyl laminate from Teckwrap to add a dazzling, colorful, sparkly effect to my stickers. Laminate films are often called different things like overlays, transparent overlays, or laminate vinyl, but all of these terms mean the same thing. I can't tell you how many sheets of this film and printable vinyl that I had to throw away until I perfected my technique. Probably at least 10, so if you mess up, don't beat yourself up. We all make mistakes. Luckily for you guys, I'm going to show you what to do and what not to do to ensure you get perfect waterproof stickers every time. If you don't follow my technique, your film will most likely be full of wrinkles and bubbles, totally ruining your stickers. I even ruined my table working with this stuff, but we'll get to that later. So make sure you watch this video all the way until the end so you don't have to make any of the costly mistakes that I did. First, let's discuss the materials that you'll need. I'll leave links to all of these materials in my video description so you can find them quick and easy. You'll need a Cricut machine with print and cut capability, so any of the machines from the Explore or Maker series. This includes the Cricut Maker, Cricut Maker 3, Cricut Explore Air 2, and Cricut Explore 3. The brand new Cricut Joy Extra also does print and cut. Next, you'll need some printable vinyl sticker paper to print your stickers out on. In the last tutorial on my channel, I made a video testing out 5 popular brands of printable sticker paper to figure out which ones were the best. I really like Joyiza printable vinyl from Amazon. In my last video, I also went over all of the design space stuff you need to know to see how I made the stickers that I'm laminating today. Today's video is part 2, where I go over how to laminate the stickers you've already printed. If you've never made stickers before, I would recommend watching my last video first so you can see exactly how I uploaded these motivational sticker designs, resized, attached, and printed them out. If you want to check out that video, I'll leave a card above and a link down below in my video description. Today's video is all about learning how to apply laminate film to waterproof your stickers that you already printed out. Since you have to print out your stickers, you'll need an inkjet printer. I'm using an old HP printer that I've had for years. I doubt they even sell it anymore, but if you're in the market for a new inkjet printer, I really like my HP. I know that Jennifer Maker recommends an HP Envy 7155 for inkjet printing if you need a new inkjet printer. As I mentioned before, I'm using Teckwrap holographic vinyl laminate film. This pack has a variety of gorgeous different patterns. There's rainbow, star, heart, gem, sparkle, butterfly, galaxy, star, glitter, and matte. You'll also need a blue light grip mat, scissors, and a weeding tool. The weeding tool is only used if you have trouble peeling the film off of the backing. Sometimes it helps if you just scrape it up a little bit with the weeding tool. Definitely don't use a brand new standard grip mat, which was another silly mistake that I made. And lastly, a scraper tool. The bigger the better. I found this tool from the Dollar Tree that I would highly recommend picking up for this project. It's called a painting shield and it works so incredible. Before I bought that tool, I was using my little Cricut scraper right here and kept screwing up all of my stickers. If you use a small scraper, it's almost impossible to lay the film down flat without getting any wrinkles and bubbles. With this tool, you can smooth the laminate down perfectly in one quick swipe. Now watch as I show you my technique for making perfectly laminated, bedazzled, waterproof stickers. The first step after printing out your stickers is to cut the laminate film to go inside the registration marks on your paper. If you place the film over the black lines in the corners, your Cricut machine may have trouble reading the marks and won't cut correctly. I know this because this was a mistake that I made several times. Sometimes my Cricut did cut okay with the film over the marks, but other times the cuts were totally off, ruining both my vinyl sticker paper and the laminate film that I applied. so best to play it safe and keep the film inside the registration marks. I flip my film upside down because it has grid lines on the back that make cutting straight lines easy. Next, while keeping the film upside down, I peeled back about 1 inch of the backing from the top and cut it off. Then I carefully lined up the film just under the registration marks at the top. Then I flipped the film backwards towards myself, holding the sticker paper down with one hand and my Dollar Tree paint shield in the other hand. In one quick swipe, I pushed the giant scraper tool forward, pushing the backing all the way off and perfectly pressing the film onto my sticker paper. This technique works so flawlessly. No more wrinkles, bubbles, and wasted materials. Next, I stuck my laminated sticker paper to the upper left-hand corner of my blue light grip mat and went back into Cricut Design Space. In Cricut Design Space, I changed my material setting to holographic vinyl to get the kiss cut that I wanted. If you want a die cut where the Cricut totally cuts your sticker out all the way through the backing, Teckwrap recommends cutting on the glitter vinyl setting. Then load your mat into your machine by pressing the blinking double arrow. Press the blinking Cricut button next to begin the cut. And there you have it, perfectly laminated and cut out stickers without any bubbles, wrinkles, or bad cuts that cut your designs in half. If you want to see some of the many mistakes that I made before I perfected this technique, keep on watching. The first mistake I made was trying to peel the laminate right off the backing and applying it like I do with transfer tape. My plan was to hold the film in each hand and fold it like a taco, laying it down in the center first and then smoothing it out. But as you can see, the film didn't peel off of the backing like transfer tape does, and it folded onto itself, sticking together. Then I tried to peel it apart and make it flat again, but by this point it was totally ruined. So then I decided to try and stick the laminate film to my standard grip mat, pull up the film, slide my sticker paper underneath, and then smooth the film down. This didn't work and the film went down full of wrinkles and bubbles. I tried to save it by smoothing the film down as flat as I could and popping the bubbles with my pick and smoothing them down again. But then when I tried to peel the laminate film backing off of my mat, it stuck to it and ripped, and it was such a nightmare to get off. So lesson learned, at least I thought. No sticking it to the standard grip mat. At this point, I was really annoyed and I decided to watch some YouTube videos about it. A lot of Cricut YouTubers recommended sticking the film to the table, then sliding the sticker paper underneath it and smoothing it flat. But when I did that and tried to peel the film off of my table, part of my table came up with it. And since I was still using the small scraper, it was still full of wrinkles and bubbles. And since my registration marks were covered with the film, my cuts were totally off. More wasted materials. The point of showing you this is that we all make mistakes. It took me a whole bunch of mess ups before I finally got it right. The best thing that you can do is watch tutorials like this one before starting a new project that you've never made. Because no matter how simple you think the project might be, that isn't always the case. It wasn't as simple as just peeling the film off of the backing and sticking it to the sticker paper like I thought. So make sure you follow all of the steps that I showed you in this tutorial and you should have perfect, sparkly, eye-catching, waterproof stickers made the right way every time. If you found this video helpful, I would love it if you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of my new helpful Cricut tutorials. Join our Cricut community on Facebook where you can share project ideas, ask questions, and chat with other Cricut enthusiasts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.